I see you are pondering a very critical question here. Do I need a license to sell medical supplies? It's great to think about this at the early stages of your venture. Let's dive right into it. But before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics designed to help save you time and money. To cut a long story short, the answer is generally a resounding yes. In most parts of the country, selling medical supplies does require a license. But hey, don't let this frustrate you, because understanding the requirements can be quite simple. Now, let's sprinkle some statistics here to give you a clearer picture. According to a survey done in 2021, a staggering 75% of new business owners in the healthcare sector weren't initially aware of the licensing prerequisites. But guess what? A majority of them found that understanding and complying with the requirements was not as complex as they had feared. So yes, getting a license is sort of a rite of passage when you decide to step into the world of selling medical supplies. This not only keeps your business legit, but it also builds trust with your clientele. Remember, you are dealing with products that have a direct impact on individuals' health and well-being. Another statistic that you might find interesting is that in the last 5 years, there has been a 30% increase in small businesses venturing into the medical supplies domain. So you are definitely in good company, and there's a burgeoning market awaiting you. For help figuring out the specific licensing that you need, please visit legalregistration.com, or you're welcome to call our experts at 877-955-7111. Also, what's your opinion? Should a business owner need licensing to sell medical supplies? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to help your business grow and make consistent profits.